Hey YouTube fam! Have you been super curious about my cryptocurrency live streams lately? Well, it is never an accident when you meet someone or when you click on a video just like this one. There is a reason the universe has brought you here. That reason is because this is your sign to learn more about cryptocurrencies and blockchain technologies. Why do you need to learn about this, you ask? Because cryptocurrencies is a means to free people financially and is already doing so. In this full body money matrix 3-day 3-part workshop, we will be releasing the old 3D systems of the money matrix and activating the new 5D money systems. If this resonates with you, this is your call to action to learn more now. But in order to fully understand the true power of light in cryptocurrency, we must first understand the dark truth of the money systems we have already been programmed in. We will go through in-depth basics understanding of what our current fiat economy is going through and what they are trying to cover up from the masses. You will discover new realizations of these events that are happening right now and ways of how you can better secure and expand your energy and wealth and abundance with Michael Rolla and I on this 3-day cryptocurrency workshop. By learning about cryptocurrencies, you are taking the conscious steps to setting yourself free from the old money matrix of the 3D. If you are ready to leave the old systems of the money matrix, this cryptocurrency workshop is for you. If you are ready to quantum leap into your 5D versions of yourself, this cryptocurrency workshop is for you. If you are ready to take control of your life and abundance now, this cryptocurrency workshop is for you. It is highly recommended to attend all 3 for optimal experience, but it is not a requirement. Workshop 1 will be focusing on detoxing, detaching, and releasing from the old 3D systems money matrix. This is the root chakra activations. Workshop 2, we will be focusing on downloading and activating and upgrading the new earth money systems. This is the crown chakra and third eye activations. Workshop 3 will be focusing on integrating our understanding of the rebalancing of the linear psychological systems of the new quantum technologies. I know that sounds like a lot, but this is definitely going to be amazing. Each workshop is $22. There will be a total of 3 workshops. If you buy the 3-part series together, you will receive 20% off. You pay $55 for all 3. That is over a $500 value for $55. You do not want to miss this insane bundle deal we have going on for your crypto education and your crypto future. This workshop will be an interactive workshop, so make sure to ask us your crypto questions at the end. And remember, you don't have to be present to either of the 3-day events. You will receive full access to the live replays for life, so you can practice and backphrase anytime you need to. So you can go ahead and join now on the link in the description below. I honor you and in deep gratitude for you toward your next steps for your investments in your future and education with the new technologies available to us now. Michael Rolla and I look forward to seeing you there.